Pops is over there cutting the tree down and shit on the roof. He's getting down here cutting this shit up. Hey, how's it going? So we here gotta trim all this down with the chainsaw. Hold on, I'm gonna set this bad boy right here. Right there. Espérame. Voy a tener que cortar esto primero. Not even halfway done. Ahora sí. Algo leve, ¿ah? Algo leve. Algo leve. ¿Qué es? ¿Es fruta? ¿Se come eso? Sí. ¿Qué es?
Bueno, ya le dicen noni.
La madre. Es como como tipo como guayaba. Ya, está bueno. No sé cómo se llaman. Pretty fucking good. ¿Hay más? ¿Sí? Me dieron una pinche bolsa. Oh, ya los veo, mira, ahí están. Ya los, ya. We almost there. We almost there. I don't even know what time it is. It is 11:30. Let's get it. Fucking hand cramp. Hand cramp. Here we are. Look at this thing. Look at all this shit. This bitch up. Woo. Go check out the results. We done.
Well, you should be getting much like we
Go that way too, which will be good. Because they're kind of at this triangular shape too.
desarmó. La pizza y si le dicen la pizza de hoja.
Hey, look at this shit. I got this shit on Amazon.
I don't know what that is.
So there's like a waterproof case, and then it comes with I think a headband, two chest bands for the water so it can float, with a window for your car. Hella shit, dude. Hella shit. For the low. For the low. Shout out to Amazon. Yeah, we're taking this bad boy to the dump.